Okay, time for the next update. BSV stacking. It's been, I don't know, about 10-12 hours or something since the last update. Continue to slowly grind down, and the shorts continue to work out, at least for the time being for me. Current risk is still the same. As you can see in number 2, I did add to, in the video number 2, I added to my SOL position. So that one's maxed out, and I just recently added again to my short position. So again, the idea here is to catch a bigger move with bigger size, yet not doing so with increased risk. So even if this was to turn around and totally reverse and bounce, I'm never risking more than my original amount, which was the 3 BSV. So I lowered my stops down to break even on Bitcoin, on Ether. I'm risking 1 Bitcoin on SOL, and now I'm risking 2 Bitcoin on the AD. When I say Bitcoin, I mean BSV. So I'm risking 2 Bitcoin on ADA, on this ADA AD here. So just because it was my recent position, I have to give it some, my new position, I have to give it some wiggle room. So still risking 3 on the short side, and I'm still holding this BSV BTC. That's just not done much, just grinding down with everything else. But yeah, that's where I'm at. So currently up to 5.5, about 5.5 on my short position, but risking 3. So target's still the same, roughly. I'm looking for it to kind of just take out this low here. We know for sure that there's a lot of people with stops here, right, on this wick down low. It'd be nice to see us come down here and take out those stops, and it'd be a nice place to take off your shorts, probably down there. I did circle roughly the places where I started adding. So this is when I first started to short Bitcoin. I think I did shorted Bitcoin and Ether right on this little pump right up here, small. And so I was short Bitcoin Ether here. I think I finally added some SOL here, and I added some more, and then I added ADA right there. So again, just trying to catch a move with some bigger size, add to a winner without increasing risk. So that is the current update, and we'll see how this plays out throughout the day.